Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm looking at a snack, a fridge snack from Asda, and it is some southern fried chicken bites. Boom, get in there. There you go. Now, what's it say? Fridge snacks, southern fried chicken bites. High in protein, apparently. It's a 90-gram packet and it contains 17 grams of protein per packet. Let's have a look. Let's have a look, see what it says. Chopped and shaped formed chicken in a southern fried style seasoning. Now on the shelf it does say new, new to Asda, and they cost me a whopping 79 pence. 79 pence! What can you buy for 79 pence? I'll tell you what you could buy, a pack of these. I've had a look at the reviews on the Asda website. Some mixed reviews. Some say they're really good, some say they're really tasty, and there's even one that says they taste and feel like soggy cardboard. Isn't that standard for these? I don't know. Let's give them a go, shall we? If I can open the packet. Oh my days. Okay. There we go. Oh. No. Hang on. The smell when you first open the packet, if you open them here like I did, woof. Smack bang in the face. Now, it smells, to be fair, southern fried chicken. That's what they look like in the packet. Quite a few in there. There you go. Boom, boom, boom. Let's get out of the... Look at that. There it is. It's like a little chip. It's like a little chip. I think I just broke my chair. Let's have a look, shall we? Let's see how many is in here. Okay, there you go. It's just like little chips. Right, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15 little southern fried chicken bites. Well, they definitely smell like southern fried chicken bites that have been in the fridge in a packet. Oh, hang on. I lied! There's some hiding in the bottom. So what was... Hang on. How many was in there now? Oh, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17! 17! Right. Do. Before we begin, I just want to say a very big, heartfelt get well soon wish to my oldest son, Ryan. Ryan, get well soon, buddy. And yeah, you'll soon be back on your feet. Stay strong. Now, let's give these a go. They're quite sort of... I can kind of see where the soggy cardboard feel comes from on the review. I can't say they taste like soggy cardboard because I've never had soggy cardboard. No. It is what it is. Cold bits of chicken. The southern fried chicken Smell is greater than the Southern Fried Chicken taste. Taste could be a little bit stronger, but a quick snack. Job's a good one. There you go. They do what it says on the tin. Would I buy them again? Yes, I would. Would my kids like them? Yes, they would. They eat the Space Raiders, same as that. Just that's his own version. Space Raiders? No. Space Raiders are crisp. Fridge Raiders. Yeah. Did I say Space Raiders? Oh, I don't know. Wow, I need a holiday. Right, yeah. So these are Asda's version of the Fridge Raiders, if that's what they're called. But yeah, they're okay. They're what they are. Now, yeah, I'd buy them again. These are getting a like from me. Yeah, I like them. So, if you've had them, let me know your thoughts as usual. Leave your comments in the comment box below. And that's it from me. Have a coffee. I'm going to say cheerio. So from me, it's cheerio until next time. I'm going to love you and leave you. I'm out of here. Take care, and I will see you all again on the next review.